Hello, children. Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and you have enjoyed your summer vacation. Dear students, so we have completed our first term syllabus. We have conducted test also. Now we are going to start second term syllabus. In second term, we will see chapter number 5, factorization. So let us start this chapter. When a polynomial, an algebraic expression, is expressed as the product of two or more expressions, each of these expression is called a factor of the polynomial. For example, x square plus 5x plus 6. After factorization, we will get it x plus 3 and x plus 2. When we will multiply both these terms, we will get it x square plus 5x plus 6. So, x plus 3 and x plus 2 are factor of x square plus 5x plus 6. Therefore, the process of writing an expression in the form of terms or brackets multiplied together is called factorization. Now students, we will see method of factorization. What are the method? First method is taking out the common factors and second grouping method. In exercise 5a, we will see both this method. We will apply both this method. Common factors, will take out the common factor and grouping method. Now let us start exercise 5a. Question number 1, factorize by taking out the common factor. First question is 2 bracket 2x minus 5y bracket close 3x plus 4y bracket close minus 6 bracket open 2x minus 5y bracket close x minus y bracket close. Now dear students, look at this question carefully. You will find out that 2x minus 5y and 2x minus 5y, both these terms are same, so we will take it 2 and 2x minus 5y as a common. So what will be remaining in the left hand side? 3x. This term we will write down here 3x plus 4y, then minus, and when we will divide this 6 by 2 we will get it 3, and this we have already taken as a common, so x minus y bracket close. Therefore 2x minus 5y inside the bigger bracket 3x plus 4y minus, when you will multiply 3 into x, 3x minus plus 3y. So 3x minus 3x, it will be cancelled out. Now 2 bracket open 2x minus 5y bracket close, 4y plus 3y, that is equal to 7y. So 7 to the 14y into 2x minus 5y will be our answer. Now we will see question number 3. This is our question. AB inside the bracket a square plus b square minus c square bracket close minus bc inside the bracket c square minus a square minus b square bracket close plus cd inside the bracket a square plus b square minus c square bracket close. So let us see. AB, a square plus b square minus c square, will write down as it is, plus here we will multiply this term by minus sign, minus plus bc. Here we will write down minus plus a square. Here this minus will become plus b square and this plus will become minus c square, plus cd, a square plus b square plus minus c square bracket close. Next, let us see, we will take it common. We will apply the common method here. A square plus b square minus c square. This side also a square plus b square minus c square, a square plus b square minus c square. In all these terms, expressions, this term is common number, no? So we'll take it common. A square plus b square minus c square. And what it will remain here after taking this number as a common? AB plus BC plus CD. This will be our answer. Now look at the third question. Question number 2. Factorize by grouping method. We have to apply the grouping method. A cube plus A minus 3a square minus 3. Now we will make it a group of these two numbers. This will be the group. Now here we will take it a as a common. Then here a square plus a will cancel out, 1 will be remaining here, minus here we will take it common as 3, so a square plus 1, because we have taken minus sign here as a common, so minus into plus, it will be minus. Now a minus 3, we will make it a group here, a minus 3, and these are same, no? So we'll take it common here. A square plus 1 will be, so our answer will be a minus 3, a square plus 1. This will be our answer. Now we will see question number 7. A power 4 minus 2a cube minus 4a plus 8. Now we will make it a group of these two numbers and two numbers. Now here we will take it a cube as a common. So here a will remaining minus 2. Similarly, we will take it minus 4 as a common. So here a minus 4 to the 8 minus 2 minus minus it will be plus, so you will write down here minus. Now a cube minus 4, we'll write down this, we'll make it a group of these two numbers, a cube minus 4, and these are same numbers, no, so we'll take it as a common, a minus 2. So this will be our answer. Now let us see question number 9. AB inside the bracket x square plus 1 plus x inside the bracket a square plus b square bracket close. Again we will make it, we will multiply first. AB into x square, it means AB x square plus AB plus a square x plus b square x. Now we will make it group here. This will be our group a b x square, and we will take it b square x in the same side. We are making group of these two numbers, and here ab plus a square x. Now in this group we will take it bx, because b is this side also and this side also, so we will take it b as a common, and x will also be common. So what will be remaining here, a x plus b, because here two b's are there, no, so one b will be inside the bracket, plus here we will take it a as a common because a is in both side, so a we will take it as a common, so b plus ax. Now we will make it a group bx plus a, bx, or we can write down like this, bx ax plus b plus a. We will transpose this number, we will change their places, ax plus b, because ax is positive plus sign, it has a plus sign, positive sign, so here is also positive, b is also positive, so we can write down in this way also. Now bx plus a and ax plus b, this will be our answer. Now come to question number 11. Ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. Now as we know, the identity is ax plus a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Remember this. So ax whole square means a square x square plus b square y square plus 2ab 2axby plus, here also a minus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a b square x square plus a square y square minus 2ab 2bxay. Now open this bracket, a square x square plus b square y square plus 2a xby plus b square x square plus a square y square minus 2bxay. So this term will cancel out because both are same number. Now a square x square plus b square y square plus b square x square plus a square y square. Now a square x square plus a square, we will take it this a square and y square this side, a square y square plus b square y square plus b square x square. Now here we will take it a square as a common, so x square plus y square will remain inside the bracket, plus here we will take it b square as a common, so x square plus y square will be inside the bracket. Now a square plus b square will make it a group, and here we will take it, both are same number, so we will take it common here, x square plus y square. This will be our answer. Now next question is question number 16. A square plus 1 by a square minus 2 minus 3a plus 3 by a. Dear students, let us see, there is one identity, a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, no, so a square plus 1 by a square minus 2, this is equal to this one. So here it is written like this, so in place of this we can write down a minus 1 by a whole square minus, here we will take it common as a 3, so a minus 1 by a, so a minus 1 by a common, no, because a minus 1 by a is square, means it is 2 times. So 1 we have taken as common because here is also a minus 1 by a. Now what will remain here? A minus 1 by a minus 3. So a minus 1 by a inside the bracket a minus 1 by a minus 3 will be our answer. Now we will see question number 20. X 6x minus 5y minus 4 6x minus 5y whole square. 6x minus 5y, will take it as a common. Then here x minus 4 6x minus 5y, because it is 2 times, no? So 1 it will be inside the bracket. 6x minus 5y, x minus 6 4 are 24x minus minus plus 20y. So 6x minus 5y inside the bracket 24 minus 24 plus 1, x is equal to 20 minus 23x plus 20. So 6x minus 5y plus 20y minus 23x will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only, and we will see the next question in the next class. Thank you.